how to set up a multi-date event on Eventbrite. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a multi-date event on Eventbrite. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Eventbrite, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission, no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Eventbrite, it is an online event management and ticketing platform that allows individuals and organizations to create, promote, and sell tickets for events of all sizes. It also provides tools for event setup, registration, payment processing, and attendee management, making it easy to host both in-person and virtual events. And after that, from here, you can start signing in using your Google account, Apple ID, or Facebook. Once done, you will be directed in here on this dashboard or homepage of this Eventbrite. And now to start setting up a multi-date event, just go to the event option on the left side panel, and from here, just click create event button right here. And by doing so, you should be able to see here that you can start from scratch or create event using AI. But I'm going to start from scratch by clicking this button right here. You'll be directed on this page where the next thing that we need to do is to simply fill out some of the required information, and that includes the title of the event right here. You can simply click here the event title on the right side panel here instead of this one. So I'm going to simply click this one and enter the event title. You can become more creative when entering here the kind of title, but I'm going to enter a sample one, which is Billie Eilish concert as an example. And it will show you that your title is being analyzed. Below, you could also enter a summary for this kind of event. But at this point, I'm going to use some AI suggestion to customize the event title. Moving on to the summary, you could also choose the suggested summary using AI if you don't want to enter it manually right here. And after that, if you scroll down below here, you should be able to see under the date and time that you can set up the date and time right here. But I'm going to simply keep it that way. However, for the location of this event, I'm going to make it or to simply customize this one. And to customize the location, all you need to do is to click this enter a location button. Then from here under the venue, you could also select here to enter the specific location, the street address, and many more. And also, you need to click or choose recurring event as a type of event right here, since we're making a multi-date event. Then after that, if you scroll down under the overview, it will show you in here some other things that you need to be considered. While on the right side panel, it will show us the preview, what it looks like when a customer tries to visit our event right here. Let's say I'm going to do the location on Pennsylvania, but make sure to also verify your phone number to start adding and saving all of the details to just input right here. You can also add a highlight in here and also a text, an image, a video, depending on your preferences as well. But let's say you're now done filling out the required information, just click save and continue button. Then you will be directed in here where you can upload the photos or image. All you need to do is simply choose from your computer files. Let's say I'm just going to simply choose a random one, which is, for example, this one, which is a book cover, instead of the concert one. Just click the save button after choosing it, and it will show you in here what it looks like. But you could also resize this depending on your preferences as well. And now, if to proceed saving all of these changes, just click save and continue button below. But it says here that you also need to fill out some of this information, including the address, the street, the country, the state, and many more. And now moving on to our date, by clicking this one, or the date, we can start managing the date, such as by selecting here on this calendar. And since it is a multi-date, I'm going to enter here, for example, this one. And on the right side panel of it, all you need to do is simply fill out the required information, such as either a single time or multiple times, and even customize the starting time and the end time. Then click the save button after that. And now that we enter the one date, we can start adding more date in here since we're creating a multiple date in here. So all you need to do is simply do the same process of adding a date and filling out the required information. So again, as you can see, we have here the first date, which is on January 13, while the other is on January 20, as you can see in here. I'm just going to simply fill out the required in here. And after that, you can now start saving it directly and proceed on adding a tickets and also publishing these events on Eventbrite. And now, as you can see, we have now successfully added to multiple dates. We can now move on to the next part, which is by adding a tickets. And we can choose here either paid, free, or donation. Let's say I'm going to enter here the first one, which is paid. All you need to do is simply enter ticket name in here, the ticket description if you want to, the prices for each ticket, and even the quantity of the ticket. For the VIP, I'm going to limit the quantity. For example, only a 50 quantity of tickets amounting to $200 per ticket. And just click the save button in here to start adding the ticket. You could also create for a free one or much lower prices depending on your preferences as well, and choose your own currency in here, as you can see. But once you're now done adding a ticket, you can now start publishing this to Eventbrite. But basically, creating a multi-date event on Eventbrite is important because it helps organizers to manage recurring or extended events more efficiently under a single listings. And it provides a clear and organized schedules for attendees, making it easier for them to view all available dates and choose the one that best fits their availability. But overall, that is just how you can set up a multi-date event on Eventbrite. Thank you.